nature is same like you are in Mother Earth. When you are in nature, walking in forest or sitting close to river and just listening the sound of the nature, this is the best meditation. If you can learn this, to listen the nature and to feel the wind and feel the nature, look the stars, look the sun, look the moon, then you no need to go anywhere else. Everything you get wherever you are. Even if you need the master, master will come to you. The nature is the biggest master in the life. If you want to learn, you can learn with every small flower, with every plant, with every tree, with every animal. When you want to learn something good, you can learn with everything. But if you want to be negative, also you can be everywhere negative. Life depends on your choice. Life depends on your decision. If you take good decision, you get a good result.